Understanding crowd surf, an English phrase explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into an exciting phrase, crowd surf. This term is not just a phrase, it's a cultural phenomenon in music and entertainment. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in conversation. Crowd surf refers to the activity where an individual is passed overhead from person to person through a crowd, usually at a concert or festival. The person surfing is supported and carried by the hands of the crowd. It's a symbol of trust and unity, often seen as a thrilling experience for both the surfer and the crowd. This term originated in the rock and punk music scenes of the 1970s and 1980s. It was a spontaneous, energetic way for performers and fans to interact during live performances. Over time, crowd surfing has become a common sight at various music events, symbolizing the close connection between the artist and the audience. Now, how can we use this phrase in everyday English? Here are a few examples. I saw someone crowd surfing at the concert last night. It looked so exciting. The lead singer decided to crowd surf during the final song, and the fans loved it. Have you ever tried crowd surfing? It seems a bit scary to me. While crowd surf is a literal term, it also carries a metaphorical meaning. It can symbolize going with the flow, being supported by a community, or taking a risk and trusting others. It's a phrase that captures a sense of adventure and camaraderie, which is why it's so popular in language and culture. Crowd surf is more than just a phrase. It's a reflection of trust, excitement, and community in live events, especially in music. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of this fascinating term and its place in English language and culture. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.